put it in Chuck. Jacob says there's some tomatoes in the garden, so I'm gonna go see if I can pick some. And then I'm gonna show you how to make a good old-fashioned tomato sandwich. In my opinion, everyone should know how to make a tomato sandwich. Probably a lot of you already do, but we're gonna make it for fun anyway. That looks pretty good. So I'm gonna pick one. Yeah. Okay, put it in here. Good job.
Another one.
I'm gonna pick some of these. They look like sun sugars. I love these. So I'm gonna pick a few of them and take them up to have with salads and stuff. Because we are having a bunch of salads this week. Looks pretty good. Not a huge slicer, but looks pretty good. You wanna come put these in my basket?
Yeah.
You got quite the haul there.
Not one of these weird ones. They usually taste really good. There's another. That's an heirloom there. And so is this one.
That one's cracked pretty bad.
Yeah, but it healed. And then found this green one. It was just cut on a cut vine.
Fry that one up.
That's what I was thinking.
We got quite the load here.
I got a nice
A
one.
lot of tomatoes. We are getting ready to give our calves their blackleg vaccines. They get it now and then again in 2 to 3 weeks?
3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks. How much do they get for
2
this?
mil.
Ready to go.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, babies. Come on. Come on, babies. There she comes. Come on, babies.
Give me a bottle.
I know. Oh, boy. No, you are not going to be butting me today. No. No.
Oh, honey. Come on, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Come on.
Hi, Clarabelle. Hi, honey. Oh, look how pretty you are. You are looking so good.
I'll do summer.
It's okay. It's okay. Trade ya. Clifford, you're next, buddy. He's like, I don't know about this. I think Clarabelle, she's a little flighty. I wonder if we need to put her in a pen. It's okay, honey. All right, you ready for dinner?
I am.
Me too.
Good job, kiddo.
Hold it for you.
There.
Good job.
Got it?
You want some salt?
Yeah.
Put it on your plate first. And then you can salt it. Whoa.
You got some of my hamburger, didn't you?
When I slice a tomato, I like to cut this stem out because I don't like all the green stuff on my tomato slices. There's still a little bit in there that you can see, and I'll probably kind of trim that out. I don't like that because it's hard, kind of crunchy, and I don't want a crunchy tomato. So some people don't peel their tomatoes. When I'm having a tomato sandwich or I'm having tomatoes and cottage cheese, I like to peel them. But other times, like when we're having tacos and stuff, I'm not going to peel a tomato. And you lose a lot of the nutrients when you peel it. So, but I am tonight because we're making tomato sandwiches. Sometimes I have contests with myself to see how long I can get these strips to be, and I just lost it.
I can't even get it in the camera.
Oh, I just lost it. That's what I get for bragging. Now, sometimes it's easier to get a longer knife to slice, but you just want to get nice big slices. Actually, I'm just going to put this right up here. Now, this is where a lot of people are going to either agree with me or they're going to disagree with me. I prefer Miracle Whip. Team Miracle Whip all the way.
I like mayo.
I know, he likes mayo. So, and my kids like mayo too. So, on a tomato sandwich, you're either going to use a thick slather of mayo, or if you're like me, you're going to use Miracle Whip. Normally, with regular bread, I would make a double layer tomato sandwich with 2 slices of bread. But this is gluten-free bread, and gluten-free bread tends to be thicker and a little more dense. So I only want 1 slice. Now I put a nice generous layer of Miracle Whip. You can put however much you want. Pick out some tomato here. I'm gonna put probably a couple slices on each one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give these some salt. Not too much, just enough that it has good flavor. If you're making it with regular bread, put mayo or Miracle Whip on your other slice of bread and slap it on there, and then you have your sandwich. A lot of times we'll put bacon on this. We'll put 3 or 4 slices of bacon with our tomato, and that is really, really good. I'm kind of disappointed tonight because I was going to have tomatoes and cottage cheese along with the tomato sandwiches. That's just something we do all the time during tomato season. And my boys ate all my cottage cheese, so I gotta wait till I go to the store. But I have ordered 6 to 8 containers of cottage cheese, so we'll have plenty for about a week. They'll eat it. They'll eat it all. They'll eat it all. I'm gonna take a bite because this looks too delicious to let sit here.
Can I say a bite? I want one.
Mmm.
Where's mine?
Mm-hmm.
Where's mine?
Alrighty. Yummy. Are you enjoying that, Jaden?
The Loch Ness Monster
Is it cold?
Yes, very.
Ah! Chuck. It's like that's how happy guy. Does it feel good, Chuck?
It's cold. Mine's almost. One rock looked like a sandwich.